chronic understaffing at the Grange Hospital have been circulating since the hospital opened in November 2020. On announcing the early date of the opening, the previous health minister said the facility would provide more capacity and resilience in the system. However, at present, the Grange Hospital has the worst A&E waiting times in Wales, with less than 41% of patients being seen within 4 hours, and this statistic is from August 2021. Last month, it was reported that patients were waiting up to 18 hours to receive treatment and that 15 ambulances were waiting to hand over patients. In reply to Andrew R.T. Davis's written question last month, you said that it was the responsibility of the Aneurin Bevan Health Board to meet the needs of their community. So, Minister, will you now take immediate action to address the staff shortages and excessive workloads that are demoralising the workforce and put patient safety at risk before the inevitable increase of pressure on services made worse by the coming of winter? And I did hear your previous answer, so I just wanted to ask you as a request, will you now be monitoring the Aneurin Bevan Health Board? And I hope that you will kind of give us an assurance that you will come back to us in the Senate and report the findings to us before Christmas, if you indeed are. Thank you, Minister.
Thank you very much, Natasha. And I'm very well aware of the issues around A&E, and I'm keeping a very close eye on the pressures in the system around A&E. And that's why we've already made a significant additional in terms of recruitment to the Welsh Ambulance Service that was significant, not just last year, over 100 last year, but significantly more this year and more to come. And of course, you'll be aware that we're also now getting the support of the Army to help us out in this situation. So a lot of work is being put in place, but as you say, the key issue here and the key restriction is staffing, and that's why, as you have reported, we will be keeping an eye on what that staffing looks like. I know there's a short-term strategy in terms of using BAPIO and the European Gateway routes to really try and do some immediate staffing recruitment. So there's a short-term approach that they're hoping to get into place very, very quickly. I know 12 staff they're hoping to recruit via the European Gateway route imminently. So things are moving very quickly in this space. So I'm very pleased to see that because clearly this report needs a response.
John Griffiths.
Minister, as we've heard, staff and services at the Grange are obviously under tremendous